Hello, welcome to this tutorial where I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to install and set up your app. Once you're in your account, navigate to Marketplace, search for the app and you click on it. Then you click on Install and you click on Allow. Once you're done installing your app, refresh the tab and you scroll down to the custom page, click on it, and the interface of the app is going to pop up with all its necessary features, such as the documentation. We have the smart queue videos that is going to guide you on how to complete and get the necessary credentials to set up your app. We have the app set up. Here the app has already been connected. Enter your email and you click on the complete setup and your app will be completely set up. We have the support center where you'll be able to create a ticket and as well book a call for our support team. We have the change log feature where you're going to see all the new updates and changes made on this app. To receive notifications or email, insert your email and you click on the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. You've learned how to install and set up your app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.